So before I make my smoothie, I just want to thank Acekool for sending me this 5-in-1 blender to try, and it's just super cool. It has so many different attachments and I've never had a hand blender before, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what I can make with this. I've already taken everything out of the box, ready to use. It's already all washed up because that is just how eager I am to use it. I am going to have it linked down in the description box, so go and have a look at it and see if it's something you want to pick up. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. It comes with all different attachments, so you can make baby food with it, smoothies, juice, soups, and it also even comes with a little cookbook, which I thought was super cool, to be honest, because I've been really looking forward to doing a smoothie, but honestly I didn't really know what else I could do with it. So the fact that it comes with a recipe book and step-by-step methods on how to make stuff, you've got different soups, different purees and smoothies, baby food, salsa, pesto, and there's just a ton of recipes in here. So again, I'm going to have it linked down below, but I just want to go through and show you what it actually comes with before we make the smoothie. Okay, so this is everything it comes with, and so I've already shown you this cookbook and I just found it really interesting to give it a read through. Of course it comes with the manual, so you know how to use everything, but it also comes with the whisk attachments to do eggs and cream and things like that. And this also really excites me because, you know, I'm a huge coffee lover, and to be able to get like frothy, proper nice thick milk is going to be really nice. But I wanted to go out of my comfort zone a little bit. You know that I'm crazy for coffee, and I thought I would try something a little bit different with it to really give it a go rather than just using that. So I'm actually going to be using the hand blender to make a smoothie in this. It comes with all of the measurements. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got all of the measurements up on there, and you've also got a bigger blender here as well. So I just think this is so good. I'm going to get so much use out of it. Thank you so much to Acekool again for sending me this to try out. I'm definitely going to be using it every day, I would say, and it's definitely going to be a staple in my kitchen. So again, thank you so much. I just want to say thank you again to Acekool for sending me the blender, and this smoothie is so good. Seriously guys, check it out. The link is down in the description box, and I'm going to be experimenting now with so many different types of smoothies. You are going to see so many smoothies here on my channel, including soups and all the rest of it. So yeah, thank you so much for sending it to me. I can't wait to experiment with it. Everything that you need is down in the description box, and right now I need to clean up the mess that I just made and get back to cleaning.
Open, it's 'cause you kicked it down.